Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, October 30th, 2023. It is 6:25 and 58 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, solar farms. So let's hop to it here. The scientific investigators and astronomers say solar farms in space are possible. Date October 24th. 2023. Source: University of Surrey. The first study of its kind followed a satellite over 6 years, observing how the panels generated power and weathered solar radiation over 30,000 orbits. The findings could pave the way for commercially viable solar farms in space. They are very pleased that a mission designed to last 1 year is still working after 6. These detailed data show the panels have resisted radiation, and the thin film structure has not deteriorated in the harsh thermal and vacuum conditions of space. And this ultra-low mass solar cell technology could lead to large, low-cost solar power stations deployed in space, bringing clean energy back to Earth. And now we have the first evidence that the technology works reliably in orbit. Researchers developed new solar cells from cadmium telluride. The panels cover a large area, are more lightweight, and provide far greater power than current technology, as well as being relatively cheap to manufacture. They designed instruments that measured their performance in orbit. Although the cell's power output became less efficient over time, researchers believe their findings prove that solar power satellites work and could be commercially viable. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Astronomy, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.